Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please take 1 second out of your day to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you can get notified of every single video that I upload. In today's video, I have some really awesome things to show you guys from Enail Couture. I ordered a few things and Max sent me a few things. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the items that I purchased myself. Also, want to remind you guys that I do have 10% off Enail Couture code that you guys are welcome to use for US only. A friend of mine also gets a discount code for Canada, and it is also down below. So if you guys want to take advantage of anything that he has to offer, you're welcome to use the codes. Alright, so the first thing I want to show you guys that I purchased are these brush wipes. I've been looking at them for a while. I usually get the ones off like AliExpress because you get a whole bunch of them for just a couple bucks. But I decided to go ahead and try the Luxe brush wipes. You get 50 per package and they're actually really big. So you would probably only need like one every time you do, you know, a set of nails just because they're so big. So this is what they look like compared to my small one. Next item that I purchased are these smoothie buffers. These are 80 by 80 grit. The purple ones that he has are 100 by 180. Okay, I also got 2 of the bling tool replacement tips. So here is his bling tool. One side is the little like dotting tool where you move your gemstones around. And then the other side is your wax tip where you pick up your gems, and this one is losing its point. Of course I will sharpen it, but in the meantime you just take that off, you grab your new one, and then you just screw that in there just like so. Up, I finally got his blooming gel. I have been wanting to try this so bad. This is the Fun Gel #1. So if you go on his website and type in Fun Gel 001, the blooming gel will come up, okay? And it looks like a very nice thick consistency, so that's good. Not too thick, because you don't, you know. But a blooming gel does need to be a little bit thicker, and that is what the bottle looks like. So we're going to give this a try for sure, real soon. Another item that I bought is this sticker pack here, or this sticker sheet, and this one is the smiley face sticker sheet. Now I'm not sure the name of this one, but I will link the name in my description box. That way it's really easy for you guys to find, and every sticker has a number, so I will link the number down below as well, so it will make it easier for you guys to find them, because he's got over like 300 stickers now. But this one I thought was really cute. It's got the word pink, so you know it reminds me of pink, Victoria's Secret. And then we've got the cute little smiley faces and some cute little like floral prints and all kinds of like sayings. And then I broke down, you guys, and I bought the entire, or his brand new glow-in-the-dark Vivid Gel Polish collection. There are 12 colors in this collection. They are gorgeous. I have them all swatched right here. Alright, so here are all 12 beautiful, beautiful glow-in-the-dark gel polishes. Really, really great for October, for Halloween. Oh my gosh, you guys. Let me put these in the light real quick. Look at those, ladies. Look at those. Woo-wee, look how gorgeous. As you can see, they all glow really nicely. Absolutely beautiful. That's gorgeous. If you guys are interested in this collection, it is $99, but you can use the Afterpay, and that's what I use. That's 4 payments. Each week you pay 1 payment. It splits it in 4. Super easy. That's what I absolutely love companies to offer Afterpay, because it makes it so much easier for you guys to pay it. That way you don't have to come up with a big old chunk at one time. Alright, so now I'm going to show you guys the items that he sent to me. I'm going to start off showing you these floral foils. And these floral foils are really good for doing the layered look. and I do have a video on how to do that. It's like kind of like a DIY, kind of like a foil hack, if you will. And Max actually used these foils to do the hack that he showed on his live Instagram. These have some absolutely stunning foils, y'all. And you see how easy this would be to cut each one individually out. So that is why he sent that, so that I could try that method with these foils. But I just am I'm obsessed. These are gorgeous, you guys. Look how beautiful. This is really going to come in handy for the spring. I cannot wait. I might can use like the orange and the yellow for fall. Yeah, that would be really nice. Look at that. Aren't they stunning? Oh, look at this one. Look at that one. Isn't that, can you guys see it? Oh my gosh. Beautiful. Oh, look at those, y'all. Look at those. Look at the rainbow one. Oh my God, look at that. It looks like a Confederate rose. Right there. Oh, stunning. We got this one here. Look at those. You could do a beautiful milk bath with foils. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look how gorgeous those are. Ooh, beautiful roses. And of course, I think there's just a whole bunch of different flowers on there. And then we got, of course, your pink and your red, purple. And we have another pink and red one here. Those are the floral foils. Guys, I'm gonna show you the stickers that he sent. So I got the Halloween set number 2. It comes with this one here. It comes with this one. This one. This one here. And this one. And then we have this gorgeous sticker. It's like a snake skin pattern, and then it's got the little individual snakes. Okay, so we have animal print stickers here. Really cute. We have some pink floral stickers. We have some more of these gorgeous like moon, butterfly, Pegasus. Next one is these like shift, like color shift stickers, like holographic stickers. We have another animal print. This one, my daughter already grabbed some. I thought this one was really cute. I love that one. Definitely out there, but cute. All right, and then we got this one. All right, so next up we have these two, kind of like sheer. They come like on a sheer backing, which I think is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And then we've got another one of these. I really, really like the black ones. Got this one here with the moon and the snakes and the eyes. And guys, these already came out with like 27 more stickers. We've got this like 3D one. This one's really neat. We've got this one here. It's really fun. A lot of cool images. This one is a floral hollow shift. Hollow, whatever you want to call that. And then we got the black floral. The fall leaves. These cute little like black cats and pink bows and black bows. And last, this is probably my absolute favorite. These look like real flowers. These are gorgeous. Now, this is the brand new diamond gel. This is a no wipe formula, also used for putting on stones. I cannot wait to try this. It's not as thick as his new Dom top coat, but this is supposed to hold on your diamonds forever and ever and ever. You know a lady wants her diamonds forever. Next up, he sent me his BB Ombre Halloween collection. This collection goes from BB 167 to BB 174 if you want to order it. All you gotta do is type in BB Ombre Halloween set and it should come up. But I just wanted to show you guys a second these freaking bottles. Look how gorgeous those bottles are. Oh my gosh, I fell in love. And they have the swatch right there at the top. These little tops turn so you can keep it straight with the front of the bottle. You can display them like that. It comes on a really nice brush. Okay, really nice brush. 12 glitters. Well, some glitters, some cream colors. And I've swatched all of them for you, so I'm going to show them really quick. There we go. Look at that. So we have 163, a beautiful pumpkin 164. Beautiful pumpkin color. 165, which is like a black hollow. It's got the orange flakes in there also. Oh, I love it. Orange and gold. Love, 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 love. 167, which is also like a darker glitter with like the black tinsel glitter and like silver tinsel glitter. And then we got this beautiful red. These are all one coat, ladies. They're all one coat. I did not do 2 coats because his formula is very thick and it just does really well. And is 169. I mean, I guess it doesn't matter about the numbers because you do have to buy them in a collection. So here is the other black glittery gel. It's beautiful green. We have this beautiful one here. This one is gorgeous. I love it. It's great for fall. Really, really sparkles. It looks like kind of like a reflective glitter. Really pretty. Your gorgeous purple. Purple glitter. It's got pink glitter, purple glitter, silver glitter. Really, really pretty. And last but not least, we have this one. And it's got the green glitter, the gold glitter. Oh my gosh, I missed a color, you guys. I forgot to show you the cream. Here is the cream. Alright, last but not least, we have his new nail extension acrogel. These are the ones in the pots. And he does have 5 big pots and 5 small pots. So this one here is the pink one with the glitter. And it is a polygel, okay? So it is thick. Let me show you what it looks like real quick. How easy it would be to pick that up and apply it to the nail. Okay? So instead of it being in a tube, it's in a pot. Let's see, what are they? They're 15 mLs. I have this one here, which is a beautiful silver holographic polygel. And then we have this like sheer pink one. Now I may give these away, I'm not sure yet, because I have a whole bunch of his polygels. Here is the clear. Here is the clear iridescent. This is one of my favorites. So pretty. But again, I have so many of his polygels. I'm pretty sure I'll be putting this in my next giveaway, so you'll have to just stay tuned. Alright guys, before I get into the giveaway rules and the giveaway items, I quickly want to say I do have another giveaway going on right now for the McCart All-Nighter Starter Kit, and I did not put giveaway in the title, so you'll have to find that video. It is a recent video. Alright, and for today's giveaway Halloween sets, it is set 1 and set 2 from Enail Couture. Okay, so you're going to get set 1 and set 2. It comes with a whole lot of stickers. All these stickers. They're all for Halloween. I also have thrown in this one here. Get this one here. You also get this one here. You will get this one. You will get this one here. You will get this one, which I just pulled out of my stash. You will get the fall one. And you will get the pink floral one. So all these stickers included in today's giveaway, US and international, because it can be mailed in a flat. So what I would like you guys to do is please give the video a thumbs up. Let me know what your favorite item was in the comment section. Make sure you say enter me, must be a subscriber. Please like and share the video, and that's it. That's all you got to do. If you can't share it, it's not a big deal. I would appreciate it. And when you do share it, tag me if I'm on that social media. I do have Facebook, which I'm not too concerned about Facebook, guys, because that's more of my personal page. But I do have Instagram, Baby Girl Nails with a Z, and I have TikTok, Baby Girl Nails with a Z. So tag me on TikTok, tag me on Instagram, share it on your Facebook. You just don't have to tag me if you're on Facebook. And that's it. So good luck, you guys. I will pick a winner in about a week, and I'll see you on the next one. Hope you guys have a blessed day. Stay safe. Bye.